Hello and welcome to the Crypto Street Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from all the content that we are posting on our channel. So guys, this video is about BNB, Bitcoin and Total 3. We will discuss all these three important coins and we will see what we can expect from them in the future market moves. Alright guys, before we move forward, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get all the latest notifications. And we have been proven right so many times, and you should watch our videos so you can align yourself according to the market condition and take the benefit out of it. Alright guys, so sorry, I'm going through a little flu, so my sound might not look good. So let's move forward and see what we can expect, what we are expecting, and what will happen next. All right, guys. So as you have, we have told you that if this upper resistance is going to break and this level is going to break, then we are going to hit the higher targets. From here, but from here, market reversed and market, again testing the upper side, now support, testing it as a support. All right, so Bitcoin flushed from here, and we will discuss that as well. And now the market is testing the upside resistance, which is now turned into a support. All right, so what we are expecting, that if it successfully closes the candle below this trend line here, then we are expecting that it is going to hit this next target. All right, we'll just move maximize, zoom in a little bit so we can draw things clearly. So if it closes candle successfully here, then this is the next target. All right, and a little wick, and we can then test the resistance again. But given the market condition, the Bitcoin is not holding tight on the supports, so we can actually go and test this support as well. So guys, another important thing is, which is we can say is 50% of the wick, and we can also come to this one and then start moving higher, break this resistance, and also we can also we will break this level resistance as well and move to the next targets as we have in you can see here. All right, so this is a scenario if market closes the candle below this trend line. What if not, if it successfully turned down and closes the candle above? So as you can see, it is acting as a support, and definitely if accumulation goes on continuously, then we can go and hit this target, and we can move to the next targets as well. A little reversal could be seen here, but we will move to the next targets. All right, so this is what we think for the BNB right now. We are not hoping that it will go and test the lower resistance because it is too far, and almost, if you see, so 27%, which is too high. All right, and even if the market is which is big number, comes here, even then 26-27%, so this is a big number. We are not expecting this. All right, let's move to the total 3, guys. So guys, this in front of you is total 3, and we were telling you the details. Previously we have told you that this this trend line, this channel upside resistance is acting strong, and we were about to collapse into this support zone, which is blue. And previously we were hoping if it successfully turned down, then successfully flipped, then we will see the upside move. All right, but the market has been rejected from here, and we are getting into this. All right, so the important thing right now, what we see is the total 3 alts market depending on this, and we are this is bleeding, huge bleeding, guys. And see all these red candles, so this is huge bleeding. And what we are expecting next from this, it will continue its moves further, or it will stop at this important blue zone. So we think that Bitcoin, it is correlated with the Bitcoin actually. So if Bitcoin holds on its support and sets upon, and start rising upward from there, then this important zone will be it will be hold. Otherwise we will see further downward movement, and it can test basically, the resistance, also the 50% of the wick as well, and we can go a little bit down into the region. Let's see what we have here in the previous one. Okay, so yeah, so we can get into this zone. If the Bitcoin doesn't hold, we can get into this green zone, and we can further from here. It will start a striking upward move. All right. One important thing, guys. Everyone should be ready for a recession. All right. We are heading towards a recession, which I believe is true, and you should be ready for that. Your portfolio should be ready for that, and buying the lower positions, the lower prices is the key, is a success. All right. So we will target those prices, and we will definitely take benefit of that. And to get that, you should join our Discord, and we are giving you 100% pure, fantastic information through which you can take benefit of this recession and the bear moves, the big bear moves which are coming. All right, let's move to the BTC and see a BTC a little bit as well. So this is BTC in front of you guys. As we have discussed in the previous videos, that this was an important, important support, important level, and Bitcoin is holding above this. If you see, if I maximize it, you see this is properly holding, and no candle has been closed below to this level. Another important thing which we have described in our previous videos, that Bitcoin ultimately going to hit this 49 or 50k zone, and let's just zoom out a little bit. So this region this region could be, almost 50% of the wick here, and also this low resistance is also important. So we can target this and 49, 50, this region. And one other thing, if it continues making the structure, as you can see, lower lows, lower high, and if it goes and make a new structure, then this could be the level from which it can go and reverse a little, a big wick, and then it will start moving higher. So this is important. We are heading toward recession, and many people think it will be a smooth landing, soft landing, but there are scenarios on which we cannot, think that because the interest rates are too high and many other factors, and overall interest is surging on the economy, and we will see a correction which is due in the market. All right, so what if it holds and we are having a good news in September of the rate cuts? We can actually hit this zone once again, and possibly if it flips successfully, we can also hit the upside resistance as well. So but remember, we are in a structure, lower low, lower highs, and you can expect anything in the coming days. All right, so be prepared for that. So see everything in correlation. Bitcoin dominates, and Bitcoin definitely has a strong impact on everything you see. All right, we will conclude the video here. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time, and please join our Discord, and also like this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so you can get all the latest information, and please leave a comment. So if there is any update or new information you need in our analysis, we will include that as well. Thank you very much for your time.